Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share cute and super simple hairstyle which you can make in few minutes. If you like this hairstyle, don't forget to hit the like button and let's begin. So at first make a hair section at the side of your head and simply braid it. Braids should be long enough to reach the middle of your head, and maybe a little bit more. And now repeat same on the other side. Now make a ponytail. Grab all hair together, including the braids, and tie in a ponytail. Make a hole behind your hair tie and flip ponytail over through the hole. Remove hair elastics from the braid if they are sticking out. And that's all for this video. What do you think of this hairstyle? Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you soon in my next video. Bye!